This is the White Lady cocktail. What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. My name's the Rusty Bartender. If you're new here, we're making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. Today's recipe is the White Lady. It's a classic. Let's get into it. History tells us that there's 3 potential creators of the White Lady, but it was most closely associated with the bar at London's Savoy Hotel and Harry Craddock, who later published it in the Savoy Cocktail Book in 1930. For today's spirits, we're using Drumshanbo, Gunpowder Irish Gin, and we're also using Cointreau today, along with some lemon juice, sugar syrup, and an egg white. Into your cocktail shaker, we're going to combine 2 ounces of gin, then 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau, then 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, then 1/2 ounce of egg white. We're then going to give this a dry shake just to emulsify that egg white, get it nice and frothy. Top tip too, whenever you're doing a dry shake, always make sure your cap's on pretty tight because egg white has a tendency to expand and explode sometimes. Like that. Fill your shaker with ice. And we're just gonna cap that off and shake it for another 10 to 12 seconds. Like and subscribe. Please, and thank you. We're just going to double strain this into a chilled coupe glass. And garnish for this one is just a lemon twist. And there you go, folks. The White Lady cocktail. Give it a little sip. Let's see what's going on in the glass. Really nice, bright, citrusy. You get the gin, get the orange from the Cointreau. Very, very, very sippable. And it's no wonder this is a classic which is still regarded to this day. This is it, folks, the White Lady. See you on the next one. Cheers.